So my name is Frank Cornelius, and I'm the Advanced Manufacturing Engineering Manager here for Edwards Vacuum in Haverhill, Massachusetts. Edwards Vacuum is an original equipment manufacturer for the semiconductor industry, and we focus on cryogenic vacuum pumps, compressors, and turbopumps. Advanced Manufacturing Engineering here at Edwards is a group that brings in technologies and automations to the factory floor.
One of the big parts of my role here at Edwards is focusing on the safety of my people that are working in the lab. And doing a review of our existing test equipment, we noticed that ergonomics was a big issue. Vention team really kind of took to that and said, hey, how can we redesign what you're doing with ergonomics in mind, using all the different kind of rotating functions, different automation features to really build a design that our test technicians and test engineers are happy and safe to use.
Back in 2021, the global chip shortage arrived, and the semiconductor chip manufacturers had to increase their production facilities and production commitments. And with Edwards being a major supplier for them, we had to do the same. We had to increase production on our side at all three of our facilities. Recently, we moved into a new facility, and our first focus was to future-proof our equipment for ergonomic purposes, lean purposes, and factory layouts. Because of our low volume and high mix, the facility needed to be designed for flexibility and modularity. During our early discovery phases for the factory design, our industrial engineering team found Vention as a good fit for our needs.
As for collaboration, Vention's design software has really allowed us to share designs within the company, kind of giving us a little bit of a time savings as we bring new fixtures online, new equipment online. What I really like about Vention is the ability to take a simple design like this that works for us today and very quickly down the road as our needs change, upgrade and modify with very little input from ourselves. The Vention team really helps us out.
We found the system really intuitive, especially with the real-time pricing, and it allowed our engineers to focus on what was important to them. The second aspect that I've been impressed with Vention is how they really treated us with great respect from the very early stages of the process. During the factory move, we had a lot of timing challenges to deal with, and Vention was able to work with us very carefully to coordinate the different phases of the deliveries.
As an engineering department, we have a need to do things quickly. With existing solutions, it may take months to get a test fixture designed and brought into this facility. With Vention, we're able to design and have implementation within a week or two, which really helps our iteration time speed up.
Not only did this factory expand by 50%, but a big focus for us was efficiency gains. And so we got efficiency gains through better workstation designs with lean, ergonomics, and safety being the top focus for us.
One of the big advantages we've seen during our partnership with Vention is the out-of-the-box thinking that comes from the design team. We have some crazy ideas, and they're right there with us every step of the way, trying to take that from design to completion. I just have a team of 5, but with help from Vention, we can get a lot accomplished down the road.
We're already seeing the impact of the Vention relationship, and we're really looking forward to the future working together as a team.